Recoil Audio RED 2500.1. We just got these in yesterday. It looks like it's made by the same company that makes the JP23. The board looks very, very similar. Little extra jizz all over stuff, and it's not as pretty because it's not made for plexi on the bottom, but pretty standard stuff. 0 gauge terminals on the ends. Looks like solid 8 gauge or even 6 gauge for the speaker terminals, and then this side's the same as the original. So it does have a little clipping indicator on the amp. I didn't check the bass knob. Larry V asked me, he's like, hey, I see that Ferrules are popular, and I'm like, ugh. I just kind of groaned. I was like, maybe for retards. And he's like, sounds good. So the only reason why these are in there is because I made fun of you guys. And he likes that because Larry really, really likes money. And so if you guys are dumb enough to get these as samples and go, oh, I want to buy some Ferrules from Recoil, he will sell them to you. See, that's the difference between me and someone like Larry V. So he's like, you're stupid. You don't need all that money. Give me it. And you guys are like, okay. Bunch of dummies. So, but whatever. They're free and included with this amp. I'll have to double check pricing on what they suggested. Of course, I can beat that price. Or what I can do is basically include a nice discount on, like, say, a RCK0 wire kit for it. You can use aluminum. It's fine. The RCK0 is the Recoil brand, not the premium brand, and it's oversized 0 gauge aluminum, or CCA, copper clad aluminum. The only difference I saw, and I saw this on their new Cicada amps, they have a 3K and a 5K that they're coming out with, was the difference was these little heads on the back are star bits. And I've had this tool for like 15 years. I don't even know what is it. Does it even say? It doesn't even say. I think it's a T15. And so it uses that to get these off. I was like, oh, it fits. Boy, that's wonderful. But other than that, it looks just like the 1200.1, which you can get from me for only $120. Typically, I think, I saved 4 of those. Otherwise, they all went to Amazon because they're selling like hotcakes. So, and they got in a nice big pallet of these. And so these will probably sell like hotcakes as well because it's a really nice, clean looking, 2500 watt amp. I'm sure it does more, just like the JP23. And then Big D will love it because it's conservatively rated. And then the bass knob is metal. Let me get the bass knob real quick to show you guys. So here is the bass knob, and it does have a clipping indicator. And I think they fixed the problem of being minimum on the left and then maximum on the right. So, which is what you guys like. I had some guy complaining that he's like, it doesn't work, and then he sends it back to us, and I go, yeah, it works, and he goes, it goes the wrong way, and I was like, yeah, but the label matches, so it's not like the label doesn't match and then it goes the wrong way. It's like, again, dude, sometimes dealing with China is just difficult. So they're like, oh, same part, yeah, you like me, love you long time, whatever. And it just sometimes doesn't turn out the way you want, but it takes a little minute to get things right the way they're supposed to be. Looking for the this is all basic shit for you guys. You guys have seen this before. Here we go. This also talks about the new the RED 1800.5 that's coming. That's the Class AB RED. Let's see. It doesn't say. Oh, there are the fuses. Nope, see, this is wrong. So it's saying 30 amp by 4. That's incorrect. So there's nothing there. See, again, so China got this wrong. So it probably should be a 250 amp fuse. And so what's funny is Recoil doesn't import any 250 amp fuses. So I have to get them from either Wholesale House or direct from Metra. So when you buy them from me, I will include it. And then I'll go yell at Larry for this bullshit. But whatever, that's for you guys. Congratulations, idiots. But I'll have him include a 250 amp external ANL fuse holder and fuse for you guys on these. The warehouse boys are going to complain because then now they have to rework. It's called rework. You got to open up the package and then add something that was missing. So, but when you buy from me, you will get that. Anything else? I think that was it. Look for the links in the description. One guy got mad at me. I was driving somewhere and I checked my messages at the light, and he's like, "Hey, how much is that Recoil 3-way?" And I go, "I don't know. It's, look at the description." I didn't remember the price. I said, "It's in the description." And then he gets like super mad and blows up at me. He's like, "Your customer service sucks. You can't." I'm like, "Dude, I'm not a business. I'm not doing this for the money. Oh my God. I'm doing this for a bigger picture, okay? I want to go to the moon." The way you do that is you help other people. All right? Not that guy, because that guy you don't want in your life for any reason, even if he's giving you money. Fuck that guy. Anyways, I love you guys. Talk to you later. Have a great weekend. We'll do some more videos over the weekend since I'm going to have a little time to basically just mull around here in the shop and show you some cool stuff and work on building some woofers and completing some orders. I got the 3 24-inch frames in as well. Somebody, you guys keep wanting the 24s. I can make the 24s, but they're $1,500 shipped. So if you want them, I'll keep making them. Otherwise, I love you guys. I'll talk to you later.